Yo guys, welcome back to another Umigo video. You guys seem to enjoy this type of content ya Umigo. I myself napendanga hizi content manze, and I love making them for you guys. You guys showed love to the other video, so I'm here with another part 2 of Umigo. And I told you guys to leave a comment. If you have not seen the first video, I could recommend you to go and see it first and then come to this one. In the first video, I told you guys to give me theirs in the comment. Kuna msedi comment akisema try to get an IG account from a girl who's not in Kenya but in a different country. So today's challenge, we are gonna be doing that. Tutatry kupata IG ya demo nya yuko Kenya. So if you're new to this channel, manze, make sure to leave a like and subscribe and stay until the end, because at the end it's awesome. It's getting better and better.
It's actually so bad. Can you tell? That show is splendid. Where? This one's from Switzerland.
Wait, hold on. Can you sing?
No one can see you, bro.
Who can sing?
Said, can you sing?
If you sing, if anyone,
yes.
Okay, if you sing and I like your song, I'll send you 1,000.
We kweli hata uko na 1,000.
Well,
she wanna nigga like me, she like me, she want me.
who wants you? Who wants you?
You.
Oh, that's true. I actually need you.
Oh wow.
Wait, why are you hiding your face though?
Because it's at night and I look so
Like I'm still showing my face and it's at night. There's no need to be like, you know.
It's because I'm so tired. Okay, you know what? Let's just do this. I'll give you my Insta.
Okay, drop your Instagram.
Come on, man! That's too easy!
By any means, how was your day?
My day.
Yeah, how was your day?
It was fun.
It was fun? Okay.
Fun.
I love to hear that. Actually, my day was bad.
Why?
A lot of things happened, but the moment I heard your voice, my day got better. You feel me? Yeah.
So is this what you tell all the girls you see?
Wait, hold on now. Wait, what do you mean by that? No. Sendo nimejoin up.
I text you.
Okay, but before I go, what's your name?
McKenna.
Oh, McKenna, that's a nice name. It was nice meeting you, McKenna.
What's your name?
My name is Victor.
Oh, okay. Nice to meet you, Victor.
Nice to meet you too, McKenna. Hope you have a beautiful night.
You too.
Yo, Kunta, niaje?
Yo, kofiti.
Niko bie, naona uko live.
Ko live tukupush tu kiasi.
Pende uspeed, na shoot tu vida mimi.
Oh, by the nilicheki yako ya kwanza, nilicheki. Kazi safi.
Asante. Hey man, najaribu jo. I'm trying my best.
Endelea kupush.
I will, man.
Push tajipa.
Oh, isa. Niaje?
Poa.
Unasemaje? Mbona sikuoni?
Nilikuwa na watch ile live stream yako.
Gani hiyo? Ya majembe?
Ile ya majembe.
Acha ujinga. Yaani unanikumbuka uso? Na venye hiyo stream iko na quality poa. But shukran manzi. Shukran kwa kuwatch.
Oni celeb.
Wewe na kamani. Anaka content kitabu gile itwa Mani na mchua. If you're watching this video, kubaf. Holy. Wait, chill. Why are you cussing, brother?
No. The previous one made me cuss, not you, man.
Wait, was he a she or a he?
It was a he.
Wewe ni mende, ana adabu, anakuskipaje?
Walai, uko aje?
Niko bie. Hiyo nini unaona hapo nyuma? Kwani uko na equipments za nini hapo? Hiyo ni gym?
Hizi ni za gym.
Oh,
kupiga tizi.
Napenda hiyo speed. So unachaja how much nikuje nipige tizi?
Kutoka sides.
Niko side za kasa.
Hakuna za fika huko, mimi siwezi kuta.
Uko wapi?
Imara. Unafika Imara?
Anaweza fika.
Nifike Imara.
Yeah, si ndio?
Stop the cap.
Kuvisit dem yangu ako huko.
Uko na manzi huko?
Wako. Siwezi kosa hapo.
CAP. Cap.
Ni fiti cha.
La kupima wazee, niko single. Niko single jo. Niko single vibaya jo.
Bondo bana, ikifika hizi nitambua kama Thiongo.
Hebu imba. Rap.
Acha niweke fiti, tulia.
Sawa.
Nice. Mimi ndo mess no bone. Omolo nimetoka Bondo. 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 Nilikuwa raundi mwenda uko Donholm. It was a bright day, hela nono. Nicha inono. Dida na sudi you don't know. And then I spotted this momo. Si hivyo ndo mwita mademo nono. Kidogo akaniza migongo. Akadai tushiriki ngono. Jimini Omolo na nimetoka Bondo. Na kademka na haga na nyonyo. Mimi huyo nikakashika mikono. Then atupa tu hivi mdomo. Slay queen akapewa chapo dondo. Wet friend na samaki ya kamongo. Then I told the bitch kaoshe vyombo.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
Yo, mambo.
Poa.
Wait. Mbona mnashtuka nini? But anyways, what's your name? Both of you.
Maya Shamel.
Aji?
Maya Shamel.
Maya Shamel. Those are beautiful names. Nice to meet you, Maya and Shamel. Aji, how was your day?
Good.
That I love that. But mi yangu ikuwa poa jo. Mi sikuwa na siku poa.
Mbona?
Sijui yaki. But wakati nimeona imekuwa tu poa, umenitengenezea siku.
Oh my God,
You feel me? Like I've just seen you. My day is better now. Mbona unashuka? Wallahi. Nimeona siku ikakuwa poa tu. But anyways. Siwajui. Ati?
Lakini wewe nakujua.
Mbona nitemea mate?
Ati? Mbona unakaa familia wewe lakini? Unakaa nani?
But umenitemea mate. What in the ushoga name is happening? Yes, nimesikia pua. What's happening? Besh. What's happening? Yo mate ni nini manze? Hata sitaki kujua, usiniambie tu. Unanikaribisha na mate jo. Anyways.
Nikutemea mate.
Wallahi.
Ujatemea mate.
Nimesikia. Na unataka
kama imeniingia kwa mdomo.
Unavuta hii gedha yenyewe.
Leo ni saa 3 njibambe.
Sawa basi, ushinde poa jo.
squad, but
Yo, what's up?
yeah, bro. Where you from?
I'm from Kenya, gang.
Your English is sick. I can't even lie. Your English is sick. I can't even lie. You got good English.
I appreciate that.
What, do you? Is Kenya an Arabic country? Like, do you speak Arabic?
Nah, but Arabic is in Kenya. There's a lot of Arabic here, but I don't speak it.
Oh, in fact, mate,
But
that
yeah.
beanie is tough.
I appreciate that. Amesema my English is good. Besh. You said my English is good, cha. What can I do, cha? Me, I don't care what you guys say. I don't care what you say. Yeah, amesema my English is good, and that's all matters. You feel me? That's all matters. I don't care what you guys say in the chat. My English is good, bro. Let me lock in. You feel me? Hey, what's up?
Hey.
Why you shocked?
I have no idea, guys. I have no idea.
What do you mean, guys?
No,
What do you mean, guys? Like I'm the only one here.
I don't know. Okay, guys.
What do you mean by hey? But
I'm used to talking to.
YouTube, bro. I'm not recording. It's okay. It's the two of us.
No.
But anyways, you from South Africa?
Yeah.
I've been thinking of coming to South Africa. How is it over there?
Like where in South Africa? Cape Town.
Cape Town. Of course, I will come to the capital.
You want to go to Cape Town?
Yeah. I'm a tourist. What do you mean by that?
Okay.
I need to go to the capital city first.
Okay, so there's so we have the two C1s, Cape Town and Durban. Now Durban's not really a nice one, but most of the rich people go to Cape Town, but I'm not there because like I don't know, I don't want to go there. So I'm basically in
You don't know.
Thank you.
You don't know where you are?
It's too late. It's like too late for my brain.
Bro.
Yo,
Ni aje?
fiti bro.
Unafanya nini?
Cheki.
Nimetulia
tu. Napush ngoma bro. Mimi napush tu ngoma bro.
Ngoma gani?
Msanii bro.
Wewe ni msanii?
Nimedrop ngoma. Mimi ni msanii bro. Nimedrop doba jana hapo. Nimedrop doba hapo jana YouTube.
Unaitwaje?
Just started my career.
Unaitwaje YouTube?
It's Red Dot nimeandika hapo.
Wapi?
It's Red Dot nimeandika hapo kwa messages like nimetuma.
Yo, wasei watu wanaoch
So go check it out.
and then you support him msee manze. He's starting his own career manze. Go and support him and subscribe manze. Making a video, so I hope wataku support. Haina shida. Amelag. But anyways, wasei go and support him and mkasikilize ngoma zake. I bet he has a nice song msee. The name is hapa. Jina yake ni It's Red Dot. Msunu wako. Wait, hold on. I'm also South African. I asked someone like, how do you say you're beautiful in South African? And he told me you say msunu wako. Is that true?
No.
So,
You know what it is?
no.
Maretao.
What does it mean? Wait, hold on. What does msunu wako mean?
I don't know.
Oh,
But
okay.
it doesn't mean beautiful.
Okay, like, can you teach me South African? Like, how do you say you're beautiful in South Africa?
Maretao.
Maleta.
Marete.
Marete. Like that? Marete. Okay, what's your name?
Pule.
Okay, Pule, you're so marete.
Thank you very much.
No problem. You're beautiful. But anyways, how's South Africa?
Thank you.
You're welcome. How's South Africa?
It's nice and peaceful.
It's nice. I got
It's nice.
I got friends in South Africa.
Stop
like
the cap.
I'm planning to come in South Africa soon.
Stop the cap.
Like, where would you recommend me to come?
Pitori Chumiaka.
Okay, I will be there. I remember that word. Anyways, do you have Instagram?
Yeah.
Can I have your Instagram? Type it for me.
Okay.
Nice.
My name, by the way, is Victor. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too, Victor.
Yeah. Do you know Kenya? You don't know Kenya? Kenya? Nah, you're lying. No way you don't. No way you don't know Mike, bro. Come on. Kenya,
It's true.
Tanzania, Uganda. You don't know Africa?
No.
Bro, you only know South Africa. Okay. I'm from Kenya. Kenya is in Africa too.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, you'll see a name called Victor.
Yes.
It was nice meeting you. And yeah, have a nice day.
It's nice to meet you.
Yeah, you're beautiful, by the way. Bye.
Thank you.
Welcome. That na mnasemanga sijui kuriza. Na mnasemanga sijui kuriza. Bish. What is that? How do you call that? Huh? How do you call that? That's called raise. Yeah, what's up? What's up? Why are you shocked? Why are you shocked?
Put on your light because we don't see you.
Oh, okay. My bad. Let me just do this. Let me do this.
Wait.
Can you see me now?
No.
What do you mean no?
Not really.
Smile quick.
No.
Smile quick.
What?
Smile quick. Smile quick. So, yeah, now we can see your teeth.
Yeah, you racist piece of shit. You big ass. You big racist ass. Look at you. Like how? Like come on, bro. You need to lose some weight to be racist. If you want to be racist, lose some weight. Tafadhali, please.
Halo, nimejaa ngori. Halo, nitakukujia.
Ndakupiga balls kijana. Ndakupiga balls. Ndakupiga make. Ndakupiga make. Halo. Mbaya. Umesahau chenye nimekufanyia Nilipasua hizo mbavu. Nilipasua hizo mbegu hizo. Hakuna kuzaa. Hakuna kuzalisha. Kuja.
Bro, I love you, man.
Say, ambia wasio subscribe. Mko kwa vida. Ambieni wasio subscribe.
Subscribe wadau.
Yeah.
Kujenjwanga zenyu.
Halo.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What is he saying?
So guys, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. If you enjoy this type of videos, the only way you can show me that you enjoy is by clicking that like button and subscribing. That's the only way inaweza jua mna enjoy video na mnataka kuona more Omigo videos from me. And thank you so much for watching until the end. Have a nice day. Peace out. Bye bye.
Mimi nakuaga YouTube na ukienda huko YouTube utaandika Margaret Maina alafu uta subscribe alafu ukisubscribe ulike alafu ukilike una share na una comment.